My dear students, you are now ready to learn a very important geometrical idea, congruence. In particular, you will study a lot about congruence of triangles. So, let us start chapter number 7, Congruence of Triangles, Introduction. Chapter number 7, Congruence of Triangles, Introduction. What is congruence? Congruent objects are exact copies of one another. For example, biscuits in the same packet, sheets of paper of the same letter pad. Our next topic is congruence of plane figures. At present, we shall deal with congruence of plane figures only. If one figure is superposed on another and if the figures cover each other completely, then they are congruent. To understand, see the figures given below. Our next topic is congruence among line segments. If two line segments have the same equal length, they are congruent. Also, if two line segments are congruent, they have the same length. Our next topic is congruence of angles. If two angles have the same measure, they are congruent. Also, if two angles are congruent, their measures are same. To understand, see the figure given below. Our next topic is congruence of triangles. When two triangles are congruent, they will have exactly the same three sides and exactly the same three triangles. The equal sides and angles may not be in the same position if there is a turn or a flip, but they are there. In other words, we can say two triangles are congruent if they are copied of each other and when superposed they cover each other exactly. For example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF have the same size and shape. They are congruent. This means that when you placed triangle DEF on triangle ABC, D falls on A, E falls on B and F falls on C. Also, DE falls along AB, EF falls along BC and DF falls along AC. This shows that while talking about congruence of triangles, not only the measures of angles and lengths of sides matter, but also the matching of vertex. In the above case, the correspondence is A equivalent D, B equivalent E and C equivalent F. We may write this as ABC equivalent to DEF. So, we would express this as triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Our next topic is criteria for congruence of triangles. SSS congruence criterion means side, side and side. The three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. For example, here triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC equivalent to PQR such that AB equal to PR, that is 3.5 centimeter. BC equal to PQ equal to 7.1 centimeter and AC equal to QR is 5 centimeter. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by side, side, side congruence rule. Criteria for congruence of triangles. SAS. Congruence criterion means side, angle, side. Two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to two corresponding sides, and the angle included between them of another triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. Here triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB equal to EF is 7 centimeter. BC equal to DE is 5 centimeter. Included angle B equal to included angle E, both are 50 degree. Also A equivalent to F, B equivalent to E and C equivalent to D. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF by side, angle, side congruence rule. Next criteria is ASA, that is angle, side, angle. Two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and the included sides of another triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. For example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. ABC equivalent to DEF. Angle A equal to angle F, that is 40 degree. Angle B equal to angle E, that is 60 degree. The included side AB equal to 3.5 centimeter and side EF equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, AB equal to EF. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to DEF by angle, side, angle congruence rule. Our next topic is RHS congruence criterion. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. The hypotenuse and one side of a right angled triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angled triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B equal to angle P, that is 90 degree. Hypotenuse AC equal to hypotenuse RQ is 8 centimeter and side AB equal to side RP is 3 centimeter. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by RHS means right angled hypotenuse side congruence rule.